Hello everyone. This video will show you how to start a file history backup on Windows 8. A file history backup will back up your data files only. It will not back up your applications or your system. To configure the file history backup, open up your Charm bar, click on Search, and type in File History. If you don't see any apps showing up, click on the Settings icon, and you should see it here on the left. Now this computer was configured earlier, so the file history is on. But I'll go through the steps again. The screens may not look exactly the same as yours. The first thing you'd want to do is select a drive for your backups. In this case, we're going to add a network location, and the server's name is planb.esuhsd.org. You can also specify an external drive if you feel more comfortable running your own backups, but this demo will use the server here at the district office. Make sure you use the 2 backslashes and not the forward slashes. The backslashes are above the enter key on most keyboards. Once you have the server name, click enter. Select the staff 01 share, and then click on select folder. Once again, your screen may not look exactly like this, but it should be pretty similar. Go ahead and click OK. If you get a pop-up on your screen asking you for permission to make some changes on your system, go ahead and select yes and enter your administrator password. Your administrator password is, or should be, the same as your domain name, account, and password. Now my file history is on, so the button here gives me the option to turn it off. Next, let's go to Advanced Settings. Now the settings that I use are daily backups, although you can choose smaller increments so that your backups occur every 30 minutes or every hour. The cache is how much space it uses on your computer for part of your backups. I would leave that alone at 5%. And the keep save versions, please select 1 month for now. We're using 1 month because this is a brand new thing and we want to make sure that our servers can handle the load. We may increase this at a later time. Next, click Save Changes. Now I'm going to turn my file history on, and if it's not running, go ahead and select Run Now. And if you have a lot of data, it will take longer for it to run. The speed also is determined by your network connection. So if you're on wireless, it'll probably take longer than if you were plugged into the district's network. So if we look at this test document on my desktop, you'll see it has the word modified in it. I'm going to go to Restore Personal Files, and you can see the date and time of my last backup. I'm going to go to Desktop. Here's that test document, and I'm going to open it up. And you see it has the word modified. Now I'm going to change it and save it. And I'm going to do another manual backup. Now if you had your backup set to run every 10 minutes, then 10 minutes from now this would happen automatically. Now if I go to Restore Personal Files and open up the desktop, you see the Modified Again line. Now here's the neat part. If I go back to my previous backups, you see how it's changed? So I can look at different versions of the same file depending on when the backup was made. And that is all I have for file history. There's a lot more features and a lot of other methods that can be used to back up your computer. This is just one of them. We may cover some of the other solutions at a different time. Thank you.